Hi, welcome back to the session Data Types in Python. In the last session, we have discussed about various data types and lists also. So now in this session, we are going to discuss about the another data type is called dictionaries. Now when we talk about dictionary, it is one of the most flexible built-in data type in Python. Now dictionary basically stores your data in a key value fashion. So where you have a key and corresponding value. Now, when you look at this example here, you have my dictionary is equal to 1 and the value for one key is EVR. Similarly, for 2 you have the value Gagan and 3 you have the value Deepthi. Now, don't get confused that this is the only way that you can use a dictionary. Now, there are mainly 4 examples of dictionaries that you can see here. Now, the first you can either have an empty dictionary where you can add the values later as you wish. Then you have the integer key dictionary. So, this is an example that we had just seen where you have integers to be keys and their corresponding value. But this is not the only way that you can have a dictionary. You can even have a mixed key where you have a string to be a key value as well as you can have an integer to your key value. Similarly, in my value position, I can ever have a list as well. Let us say you already have a sequence present here and you wish to add your dictionary, then you can do that as well. There is a question. What happens when I have the same key repeated in my dictionary? If we have a duplicate keys present in our dictionary, in that case, basically our dictionary does not accept multiple keys, but even if there are multiple key value combination present, that is you have a duplicate keys present in our dictionary, then the latest value for the key would be considered and all the values before that would be discarded. We have certain methods that we can perform. Now, either dictionary, there are certain operations that you can perform. So, let us say if you wish to identify a value for a specific key, then all you need to do is you need to specify the value as an index to that dictionary. So, here I have printed my dictionary. So, if I say 3 and if I rerun this, then I get red. So, what is basically means that for the key value 3, my corresponding value is red. Apart from that, you have operations like length. Now, using length, you can get the number of key value combinations that are present in your dictionary. And then, let us say if you wish to extract all the key values, then you can extract it using mydictionary.key. So, this will print the complete list of keys present in your dictionary. So, in this case, I have only 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2 is being printed. Now, again, let us say if we wish to identify all the values present in that dictionary, you can use the value function. Now, apart from that, let us say if you wish to have a complete combination that the key value and you wish to have the corresponding value present to it as well, then you can use the items option. Now, when you use the items option, it completely prints the key value directly and it makes it easier for you to identify it. If you want to extract a value for a key, then again you can use the get function, which will give you the value for the key that you have specified, and if you wish to update any value to your dictionary, then you can use the update command. Now, I will show you how it is going to be worked out. So, let us go back to the Python and we will see this in practically for better understanding. Now, here as I mentioned, dictionary comes in curly braces. So, we have key value combination, key is 1, my value is going to be green. For key value 2, the value is blue, and then we have key 3 which is corresponding to red. And then what I will do is I will put in 2 key with my color value to be gray. So, you can see already that there is an error that is showing here. A dictionary contains a duplicate key, but let me see what happens when I print it. So, let us say print my dictionary, and I am going to run it, and I have 1 green, 2 to be gray and 3 to be red. So, you can see what is happening here. Then what I had repeatedly defined it to gray, it has taken the newer value. I hope this example is clear when we have a duplicate keys. So, let me show you, we can print the values. Let us say print my dictionary object dot values and run it. Then you can see the values present in the dictionary. Now, let me show you how to update your dictionary. Let us say my dictionary dot update. So, here make sure you are using curly braces and then set your key value combination. So, I am going to specify 4 and then the corresponding value. So, let us say white, and then let me reprint my dictionary. So, you can see here the key value is 4 as well as the value white, and run it, has been added to my dictionary, and run it. We can print the values. I hope you understand the concept of dictionary. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video.